History of the State of Qatar. Qatar detailed description. 1. Early history of Qatar. Qatar has an ancient history that dates back thousands of years. Archaeological evidence has been found from the Neolithic period, especially around areas like Al-Zubra and Ruwaida. It was an important stop along ancient maritime trade routes, especially in trading pearls, textiles, and incense between India, China, and the Arabian Peninsula. 2. Arrival of Islam. In the 7th century, Islam reached Qatar during the early Islamic conquests. Qatar quickly embraced Islam and contributed to the spread of the religion in the region. 3. 16th to 19th century, foreign influence. In the 16th century, the Portuguese tried to control the Gulf region and briefly occupied parts of Qatar's coastline, 1515 to 1538. They were replaced by the Ottoman Empire, which brought Qatar under its influence until the late 1800s. 4. British era and treaties. In 1916, Qatar signed a treaty with Britain, which promised to protect Qatar from external threats in return for British control over Qatar's foreign affairs. During this period, the Al Thani family emerged as the ruling dynasty, a position they still hold today. 5. Independence. On September 3, 1971, Qatar officially declared full independence from Britain. The first emir after independence was Sheikh Ahmed bin Ali Al Thani. 6. Modern development. In 1995, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani overthrew his father and launched a modern reform agenda. Major development projects were initiated, the transformation of Doha into a modern city. A booming economy based on oil and natural gas. Establishment of Al Jazeera, a globally influential news network. 7. Era of Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, 2013-present. In 2013, Emir Hamad voluntarily handed power to his son, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Sheikh Tamim has focused on education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Expanding Qatar's international diplomacy. Hosting the FIFA World Cup 2022, making Qatar the first Arab country to do so. 8. Economy and global influence. Qatar is one of the richest countries in the world in terms of GDP per capita, thanks to natural gas reserves, third largest in the world. Oil exports. Qatar is also known for its global mediation role, e.g., helping broker peace agreements in the region. Hosting major international summits and sporting events. Let me know if you'd like a summary version, info about culture, politics, or religion, or maybe even images or timeline graphics.